Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. My name is Sara, and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. I've been teaching online for the past 6 years, and on this channel I produce countless videos on grammar, teaching Urdu with movies, songs, stories, etc. If you're learning Urdu, you can go to the playlist and check out my videos. Today we are going to learn an important grammar construction, which is have and has. So Urdu and Hindi do not have has and have. So the verb has and have does not exist. So what happens is we choose different post positions. We have different post positions through which we express have. It depends on what kind of object we are talking about. So for example, if we're talking about relationships, I have 2 sisters. I have 2 brothers. I have an uncle. These are relationships. For that, you use the postposition ka, ki, and ke with the subject. Suppose our subject is Catherine. Catherine has would be Catherine ki. Catherine ki. Ki here is has or have. Catherine ki. Catherine has a sister. Catherine की एक बहन है. Catherine की एक बहन है. Catherine has a sister. एक is a. Sister is बहन. Catherine की एक बहन है. Catherine की एक बहन है means Catherine has a sister. Catherine की 2 बहनें हैं. Catherine की 2 बहनें हैं. Catherine has 2 sisters. 2 is 2. Behne is plural. Sisters. Behne. Hain. The ending hai changes to hain. A nasal sound is added into it, which indicates the plural object. Probably you'll not detect the difference in hai and hain, but there is a nasal sound in the second one. Hain. Catherine की 2 बहनें हैं. Catherine की 2 बहनें हैं. Now the key depends on the object that is following. बहनें is female plural or feminine plural, therefore it's की. Catherine की. Now let's say Catherine has a brother. A brother is भाई. In this case it will be Catherine का. Catherine का एक भाई है. Because bhai is masculine, therefore the ka depends always on the noun that's following it. So Catherine ka ek bhai hai. Catherine has a brother. Catherine ka ek bhai hai. Right? Do you have any question? Do let me know in the comment section if you do. Bhai is singular, therefore it's ka. Catherine ka ek bhai hai. Again, the ending is hai without a nasal sound because bhai is just one singular masculine object. Let's say Catherine has 2 brothers. So in Urdu, brother and brothers is the same word. So bhai is 1 brother and bhai can also be 2 brothers. So it's not changing. But what will change is have and has, which is ka and ki. So basically ka, ke and ki means of. To express have, it means has and have. So Catherine has 2 brothers. Catherine ke. Ke is for plural masculine object. So Catherine ke 2 bhai hain. Catherine ke 2 bhai hain. Catherine ke 2 bhai hain. So for men, there is ka and ke. Ka for singular masculine object and ke is for many brothers or many men. Whereas for female, singular and plural both are the same, which is ki. Let's say another person. Let's say Michael. Michael has a sister. Michael की एक बहन है. Michael की एक बहन है. Michael has a sister. माइकल की 2 बहनें हैं. Michael की 2 बहनें हैं. So key does not depend on the subject, the person who we're talking about. The key depends on the possession of the sentence, the noun that is following key. Michael की 2 बहनें हैं. Let's say Michael has a brother. Michael का एक भाई है. So का, because भाई is just one brother. Michael का एक भाई है. Michael का एक भाई है. Let's say Michael has 2 brothers. Michael के 2 भाई हैं. Michael के 2 भाई हैं. Michael has 2 brothers. Michael के 2 भाई हैं. I hope it's clear. What if I'm saying I have a sister? I have. I is मैं. Have here is की, का and के. So when मैं and की, का and के combine together, they form मेरी, मेरा and मेरे, just like a possessive adjective, my. So my and I have the same word in Urdu. मेरी is I have. मेरी एक बहन है. I have one sister. मेरी एक बहन है does not depend on my gender at all. It depends on the gender of the possession, the thing that we have. बहन is feminine, so मेरी एक बहन है. मेरी 2 बहनें हैं. I have 2 sisters. मेरी 2 बहनें हैं. मेरी 2 बहनें हैं. मेरी 3 बहनें हैं. I have 3 sisters. मेरा एक भाई है, because भाई is masculine, so it's मेरा. मेरा एक भाई है. मेरा एक भाई है. मेरे 2 भाई हैं. मेरे 2 भाई हैं. मेरे 2 भाई हैं. I have 2 brothers. The same will happen with other pronouns as well. For example, आपका means you have, आपकी you have, आपके you have. The endings depend on the sentence or the possession or the things that we are talking about, that we have. The informal one is तुम्हारी, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारे. You have, you have, you have. तुम्हारी कितनी बहनें हैं? How many sisters do you have? तुम्हारी कितनी बहनें हैं? कितनी means how many. तुम्हारी कितनी बहनें हैं? तुम्हारे कितने भाई हैं? तुम्हारे कितने भाई हैं? How many brothers do you have? तुम्हारी कितनी बड़ी फैमिली है? तुम्हारी कितनी बड़ी फैमिली है? How big is your family? तुम्हारी कितनी बड़ी फैमिली है? उनकी, उनका, उनके. They have, she has and he has. उनकी एक खाला है. उनकी एक खाला है. He has one aunt. उनकी एक खाला है. उनके एक मामू हैं. उनके एक मामू हैं. He has, they have, or she has one uncle. So it represents all 3 pronouns. K, because mamu is singular but is still respectful. So K is used for respectful noun as well. Respectful relationships. Our is hamari, hamara and hamare. हमारा बड़ा ख़ानदान है. हमारा बड़ा ख़ानदान है. We have a big family. ख़ानदान is an extended family. हमारा बड़ा ख़ानदान है. हमारे 2 बच्चे हैं. हमारे 2 बच्चे हैं. We have 2 children. हमारे 2 बच्चे हैं और मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं. I have 2 children. मेरा एक बच्चा है. मेरा एक बच्चा है और मेरा एक बेटा है. I have one son. मेरी एक बेटी है. I have one daughter. Here's the list of possession that you can use this construction with. The postposition here that we are using is ka, ke and ki. But with other nouns, we use different postpositions. For that, you have to watch the part 2 and part 3. If you find this video helpful and useful and you're learning a lot from this channel, you can support this channel by subscribing. If you want to further support my channel, you can support it on patreon.com. You can get a PDF if you become a Patreon. I hope you have a lovely day. I'll see you later. Goodbye.